हाय व्यूअर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज गार्डन अली आपके लिए ला रहा है आसान नोट्स। ट्रस्टी ग्रो, ये खासकर स्लो बच्चों के लिए है। चलिए अब अपना टॉपिक शुरू करते हैं। ट्रस्टी ग्रो, ट्रस्टी ग्रो। Once upon a time, there was a crow in a village. There was a crow in a village. One day, he was very thirsty. One day, he was very thirsty. He went to a garden. He went to a garden. He saw a jug. He saw a jug, but the water was very low. But the water was very low. The crow was very wise. The crow was very wise. He put some stones into the jug. He put some stones into the jug. The water rose up. The water rose up. He drank water and flew away happily. He drank water and flew away happily. Moral: try again. Moral: try again. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. Or God helps those who help themselves. Allah Hafiz.